Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be doing some micro fishing. I got a new pole, rod, and reel from Bass Pro Shop, so we're going to be using that. It's got 6-pound line on it, so I'll set that up in a second. But I just wanted to show you some of the lures that we're going to be using today. All right, so these are some of the lures that we're using today. I got a little bit of, a tiny rattle trap. A little square bill. It's kind of a big square bill, but I still say it's small. A little tailspin bait. Don't really have a lot of confidence in that because I don't use them. Blade bait, I don't know, I got that one because it was cool. This actually isn't the Rebel crawfish, that's what's on my pole, but this is still another little bait here. This one I've done really well with, so we're gonna be throwing that one pretty much the whole time. Another rattle trap, and then another blade bait there, and then this is the crawfish that was on my pole before that you saw. So that's the Rebel crawfish there. So 6-pound lined, I think it's a 5-foot pole or something. Hang on, it should say on it. 5, 6, yeah, 5. Well, it's not gonna focus, but come on. No, you're not, no. All right, well, take my word for it. It's 5'6", line weight 2 to 6 pounds. So we're actually on the heavy weight, and it's got ultra light. So we're gonna head out there to that pond, which is near the 295 and Toyota dealership. So let's head out there and get this done. I'm gonna try this out. Okay, all right. Whoa, you've got to be kidding me. Took a swipe at it. Come on, come on. Calm down. Yeah, he took a swipe at it and got foul hooked. That's crazy, right? Well, I'm not gonna count that, but I guess first catch of the day, I don't. No, I'm not gonna count a foul hook. Another, he took another swipe. Ah, but this one got hooked in the mouth, see that? Okay, all right. All right, that's, that is catch number 1 of the day. That is in the mouth, I am counting that. So catch number 1, boom, right there. And try that again. So that's working pretty well. I'm just jigging it vertically. And they're taking a swipe at it. Most of them are missing the hook and getting foul hooked, but let's see if we can't do that again. All right, so we're gonna try casting this bad boy out and actually reeling something in. And because of the weight and the line I'm using, oh man, if I get something on this, it's gonna feel like 1,000,000,000 pounds. Oh, I got something. What? Another bluegill. All right, well, this one's not a bad size. I know there's bigger ones in here, but. All right, come on. Yeah, that's not a bad size. Look at that, he got the front hook too. Slow retrieve with the blade bait, not nice, good Lord. Not bad. So this blade bait has three slots you can use. First one's for fast retrieve, middle one's for slow retrieve, or middle retrieve, and then the third one's for slow retrieve, which is the one I'm currently using. And that was the first cast. That was the first cast using the slow retrieve one, so I guess that's the one to use now. I've now tied on the tailspin, and what this is a precursor to a catch and cook that I want to do. I'm trying a bunch of micro lures to see what would work best, catching brim, crappie, things of that nature. So that is what today's mission is, to see what works best. That blade bait did pretty good. Little square bill didn't really get much done, but I could see that square bill doing really good out at the hidden lake. Water's super murky. On top of everything else, it's now starting to sprinkle, which will just, make the water even worse. So great, I got that going for me, but caught a couple fish, so can't really complain. Figured out what's bait's working best. I'm gonna walk down towards this front end here, cast out a couple times, see if I can't get something there. If not, I'm just gonna head home, call it a day. Alrighty, thank you for watching this episode of 9 to 4 Fishing. If you guys like these types of videos, you want me to keep going out and doing them, leave me a comment down in the comment section below, leave a like, and share this so all your friends can see it. Sorry I took a little hiatus. I was a little busy with work, and my family was in town, and all that kind of stuff. You guys know how it is. So hopefully with the spring coming up, we're going to be doing a lot more fishing. I got the kayak. I got plans with Nick to go out shortly. Gonna be a whole lot of fun. Keep using that micro line. I want to catch a big bass on that 6-pound line and catch like a 4 or 5 pound bass. That'd be insane if it doesn't snap off, which it probably will, but we're gonna try anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching this. See you guys next time.